Mama just told me my baby dead, man. What? Ow. Ow.
A Florida father sinks into despair after learning about the death of his daughter, but when the handcuffs come out, he doesn't flinch.
Hey, put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can you do it? Because I don't want to.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes,
We're going to work together.
I dive into the new video we've obtained in the case of the death of Jamaria Sessions and how it may paint a different picture than what we previously knew. Welcome to Crime Fix. I'm Angenette Levy. This is one of the worst cases of child abuse ending in death that the Lake County Sheriff's Office has seen in decades. Jamaria Sessions was only 9 years old when she was found dead at the home where she was living in June of last year. She was covered in bruises, burns, abrasions, and even bite marks from a dog. Jamaria's father, Lojuan Sessions, was arrested and charged last year with aggravated manslaughter, and his girlfriend, Tyshael Martin, was also arrested and charged, but she faces more serious charges of murder. Both were expected to go to trial this year, but then conferences to negotiate pleas in their cases were scheduled. I'll have more on that later. Now, through the investigation, detectives obtained more than 2,800 home security videos showing both the interior and exterior of the family home, and what they saw was absolutely shocking and disgusting. Detectives say the videos show the girlfriend of Jamaria's father, Tyshael Martin, beating Jamaria and sicking the family's Rottweiler on her 2 days before she died. Martin was arrested and charged with murder, aggravated manslaughter, and child abuse in Jamaria's death. Later, the Lake County Sheriff announced that Jamaria's father, Lojuan Sessions, was also being charged with aggravated manslaughter for being aware of the abuse. Now, the next day, deputies in neighboring Orange County, they come up with a game plan to take Lojuan Sessions into custody at his apartment complex.
If you guys want to go hands, I'll make sure he doesn't get back to the apartment.
Where's Henry?
I don't know.
Alright, he's looking at me, walking right towards me.
Oh, he's coming right now.
Okay, whenever you guys are ready to put it in motion.
Let's do it.
He's like on Henry right now.
That truck is in the way.
Yeah, I see it.
All right, he's looking at me, walking right towards me.
Okay, whenever you guys are ready to put it in motion. Nick, roll down there. And K9, you can start floating in. Copy at the south entrance.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Lay down.
Mom, they taking me to jail, Mom.
He's compliant.
Get to it before he gets to Henry.
Hey, put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can you do it? Because I don't want to.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to work together.
Yeah.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Okay. Look.
Put your hands, no, the other way. Put them inward.
Like you're praying. Like you're praying. There you go.
Yeah, so it doesn't hurt.
My phone in my shirt, my mom on the phone. You know, grab it on.
Yep. I'm grabbing the phone right now.
We're just going to get you secured, and then we'll let you make calls whenever you need to do, okay?
No, I'm saying, in my shirt, my phone is right here, and my mama is on it. I'm just asking you to grab it out my shirt.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Oh, your shirt. Okay. I got you. All right, man. We're going to roll you up. So go ahead and roll towards your left side. No, you said, okay, your other side. Yep, this side.
This one's burning.
Ready?
Yep. Sit up.
All right, it's right there. That phone, yeah,
Yes,
get
sir.
it, yeah, please, because I don't.
Like you're praying.
Like you're praying, buddy.
There you go.
Yeah. Securing one.
My phone in my shirt, my mama on the phone. You know, grab it on.
Yeah, of
Yep.
course.
I'm grabbing
Yeah,
the phone right now.
we're just going to get you secured, and then we'll let you make calls whenever you need to do, okay?
No, I'm saying, in my shirt, my phone is right here, and my mama is on it. I'm just asking you to grab it out my shirt.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Oh, your shirt. Okay.
Yeah,
I got you. All right, man. We're going to roll you up. So go ahead and roll towards your left side. No, you said, okay, your other side. Yep, this side.
Burning.
Ready? Sit up.
Right there, that phone.
Let's check.
Hello?
Get out that way.
Hey.
So put this one in.
Hey, for you.
Ready? 1, 2,
I'm doing
3.
well. Hey, so
Thank you.
just so you know, this is your son.
Can y'all tell me what the charge is?
Absolutely, we'll get that in a second.
He's gonna.
You can search? Not yet.
We'll let him call you.
Hold on, he's got.
Or I'll talk to the agent.
Okay. What else do you have in your pockets? Anything's gonna poke, stick, or gross us out?
No.
There's a reason Crime Fix is one of the top ranked shows on YouTube right now, just like there's a reason why Morgan & Morgan is America's largest injury law firm. They're a firm with more than 1,000 attorneys, and that's because they win a lot. Morgan & Morgan has recovered more than $25 billion from more than 500,000 clients. In the last few months, a client in Florida received $12 million after the insurance company offered just $350,000. In Pennsylvania, a client was awarded $26 million. That was 40 times the insurer's $650,000 offer. Another client in Pennsylvania received $29 million after being offered only $500,000. Even if you think your case is not worth millions, why not start a claim and fight for what you deserve? Morgan & Morgan makes it truly so easy. You can start a claim from your phone in just 8 clicks. So if you're ever hurt, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/crimefix by clicking the link below or scanning that QR code that you see on your screen. When deputies rolled up on Lojuan, he was on a call with his mother, so the female officer grabs the phone to explain the situation to her.
Hey, this is Agent Muller with the Orange County Sheriff's Office. How are you? I'm doing well. Hey, so just so you know, this is your son. He has a warrant for his arrest. Okay. We'll let him call you, or I'll talk to the agent. That's the lead agent, and see. But if it's okay for him to call you back. But I'm just letting you know what's going on. Everything's okay. He was compliant. Everything's good. So just keep. I'll let the lead agent and your son determine if he wants to tell you. Okay, because that's, his business. But let us get... Okay, this is your mama? All right, Henry, she wants to know what the charges are. Huh?
Manslaughter on a child?
Yeah, it's manslaughter of a child.
Wow. This is the Lake County.
So, yeah, it has...
No.
Just hear me out. So that's Lake County. It's a Lake County warrant. Lake County wrote it. We're Orange County. We just serve the warrants. So we're not saying you did or didn't do anything. And honestly, we don't have the information on the case.
No. There's no issue with y'all.
Yeah, I mean, I can guess what that means, but I don't know if there's details or...
My daughter got killed by my baby mama, but I'm trying to figure out how I get charged.
Right, we don't know, but we
Yeah,
don't know.
Yeah, I know y'all don't know now.
Put him in here.
He's getting searched right now. Todd, you can throw him with Todd. Never mind, he's staying with Henry.
I think your mom hung up. Your mom hung up. I told her what's going on. All right, she knows everything that's happening. I said it's going to be up to him to see if you can call her back and let her know, but your phones are going with you, okay?
Do you have anything else on you?
It looked like there was one back there in the front part of the
That got all of them?
Yep. There's 7. All right.
Cool. I'll see you right there. I'll see you right there.
Yep.
Inside.
Inside.
All the way in. Yep.
Sessions doesn't resist, so deputies simply put him in the back of the patrol car after cuffing him.
Again, we don't have a whole lot, but any other questions? Yeah, like I said, we don't even get details of cases. We just say, like, here's the name, here's the charge, that's it. And we'll tell you if there's a bond or not, which I'm assuming is probably not.
I'm pretty sure there ain't gonna be no bond
Yeah.
like that. I don't even understand how that's. I'm just trying to figure out how is that possible.
So the other thing is, if I don't know if you'll end up at Lake or whatever, but they'll explain it.
Yeah,
Like somebody will. We just don't have the information for you. The other thing is, we appreciate you being cooperative. I know this is a weird kind of. Yeah, that's what I said. I know.
Got no problem, man.
I know, and you were awesome. That's what I was just saying. Thank you. Yeah. All right, just watching you.
I understand. So manslaughter, that's you killed. That's saying you killed somebody without trying to, correct?
Yeah. So manslaughter, I didn't pull a case number. Don't worry about that. Just start typing other stuff while we're waiting on confirmation, if you don't mind. So yeah. So if it was homicide, like that's murder, like you did it intentionally, and then manslaughter is usually unintentionally. You unintentionally did something.
You need me to pull a case number?
No, I don't want you to pull a case number. I just want you to start doing all the other stuff.
That means you unintentionally did.
Unless you want me to do it. I mean, I can do it. Quick.
Danny with you?
Yeah, he's in the back seat.
I'm out of here.
Oh, you didn't realize I had him with me?
I forgot.
Sorry, thanks, Bubba.
So I don't get it.
So it's unintentionally killing somebody. So like usually with like a crash. So like if you are like and you crash into somebody, that's murder. But if you are driving down a road and somebody dies because of the result, hold on.
Okay.
Somebody dies because of the result of the crash, that would be manslaughter.
Correct.
You asked, I was explaining.
No. I was just gonna say, but I left. I didn't even.
But that we don't want to talk about. Like they'll talk to you about that. Detectives are going to come talk to you, okay?
Yeah,
I don't know anything about it. I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, I really want them to die.
Right. I don't know anything about it. I don't want to talk about it. I'm not. We're not going to discuss it. Interview. They're going to come interview
That's
you.
fine. I understand.
I don't have any information that I could even provide you other than you have a warrant. Nah, man, you're not. There's no need for you to apologize. I'm just trying to let you know. I apologize. I can't give you more information.
Orange County deputies, they were just helping out by taking Sessions into custody on the warrant out of Lake County. They take him to the jail, where Detective Joshua Muir was waiting to speak to him about the aggravated manslaughter charge. But this wouldn't be the first time that Detective Muir spoke to Sessions. He got a chance to speak with him right after the initial shock of Jamaria's death back in June of 2024. Audio was captured of that interaction.
Do you have any idea what's going on this morning?
Mama just told me my baby dead, man. What? How? What the? I'm thinking she's okay. Like, these people I trust, I shouldn't have to hound y'all and find out what's going on or where she is. I don't know. Like, these people, I trusted them. I didn't think I needed to be on top of anybody when it came to Mari. I know they've never done nothing to harm her anyway, or, you know what I'm saying? I know they've been good to her. From the time that I've been home and she's been with us, I can say they've been very good to her. You know, she never been out of state. They took her on the cruise, 7-day cruise, you know, all the excursions. They do stuff for her constantly. This is nothing I never would have thought possible.
Sessions couldn't go on the family cruise because he was on probation for trafficking drugs. He said the last time that he saw his daughter was right before she left. While the detective is chatting with Sessions, his family overhears the news of Jamaria's death.
Bro, what? Bro, my niece not gone, bro. Bro, no.
What you mean?
Bro, where that hoe at, dog?
What's
bro,
going on?
move,
What's
bro,
going
move,
on?
let
What's
me go,
going on?
Bro. Where is she, dog?
What's going on? Tell me what's going on. What's going on? What you mean, Marco? No, Boo Bear, no.
Hey, chaplains.
No, I told you.
Three people. Bro, where is she, bro?
Just tell me what's going on with
We're
my
investigating
baby.
it right now. I need to talk to Juan. I need to talk to Juan. We need to finish talking to him, and then we'll get with you guys and let you know, okay?
No,
that's my baby, bro.
Oh, my God. No.
Can't win, bro.
You recorded an interview with him already? Okay.
Oh, my God.
So she did not get the mom. She called her mom.
Shit, not life.
How was she on Thursday?
What the hoe at? She did it. I don't care what y'all say. I know for a fact she did it. Ain't no way. Nah, bro, no. No, she was supposed to been home.
The family member is talking about the girlfriend, Tyshael Martin. Now, despite Sessions being the biological father of Jamaria, Martin was actually the main caregiver for the little girl, watching her and others on a day-to-day basis. This is a 9-year-old girl who the sheriff says suffered repeated physical punishment, torture, malnutrition, and even a brutal attack inflicted by a dog. On Martin's watch, there was an incident with the family's 103-pound Rottweiler, which led to a hospital visit. The detective asked Sessions about this and if it was possible that Jamaria was subjected to that again due to all of the injuries that EMS saw on her body.
Talk to me about when Seven attacked her.
I wasn't here.
Do you know anything about it?
Nope. I was ready to kill the dog the same day. They all begged me not to.
Okay. Do you know what started it? What happened? Was it a toy? Was it food? Was it just him being him?
She told me that she tried to take some food from him while he was eating.
Okay.
That's all I knew.
And she went to the hospital for that, right?
Yes, I took her to the hospital.
Is that her shoulder? Is that what she got bit on the shoulder?
It was like her arm.
Her arm. Okay, I'll call that. She got stitches, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did he ever attack her anymore?
No. Not to my knowledge. They knew they can't tell me nothing like that the second time.
If I was to tell you that she had injuries on her, would you have any idea where those are from?
No. My injuries where? I mean, I don't know. No. Injuries where?
Nothing that you can account for other than where Seven bit her on the arm, right? And that's scarred, so it's healed.
Yeah. I mean, I think she got one whooping maybe like 3 or 4 weeks ago.
Okay.
But that would be it. And I don't remember no bruises from that.
Was it you?
No.
You whooped her? Who whooped her?
I gave her permission to spank her. Yes, I did.
3 to 4 weeks ago. Do you know if she just used her hand? Did she use a belt? Anything like that?
Not sure. I don't like to think about that part.
Detectives eventually brought Martin in for questioning. The state attorney wants Tyshael Martin put to death for Jamaria's murder. The prosecutor said Martin beat the little girl, starved her, as I mentioned earlier, made her do physical workouts, and even sicked the dog on her.
You're the only person arrested, so we kind of want to hear your story. We think that there's more people involved in this that should be sitting in the chair you're sitting with too. So I want to hear from you. What happened?
Honestly, I can't say how she passed away. When I found her, she was sleeping. All I can say is, she did receive whoopings. The girls told me that she fell that day when I was asleep. When I was sleeping, I did not witness that fall. I don't know how she passed. I don't know how she passed away. I honestly don't.
It was tough to get Martin to open up, but after some time, she reveals to detectives what Jamaria did that morning to upset her.
I'm tired of talking to you. Listen, do what you're supposed to do. A lot of times I just felt like I was the one protecting her, for her to turn around and not listen to me when I'm the one keeping you protected from your dad. So I did have moments that I did react to being tired of her not listening to me.
Do you remember what she had not listened to on that day?
That's what I was trying to think of. I think it was the fact that she was being sexual. I think it was the sexual thing that made me react like that, because I feel like she's too little of a girl to be talking about and asking my older girls about sex and asking them why they want to take penis in their hole and stuff like that. I just probably was overwhelmed with all of that.
But the video secured by detectives paints a different picture, according to the affidavit. Video from the late evening of June 15th into the early morning of June 16th shows Jamaria Sessions being viciously attacked by a family pet, a 103-pound Rottweiler, as Jamaria was just out of frame. However, Tyshael Martin could be seen holding the leash of the dog and is heard encouraging the dog to bite Jamaria Sessions as Jamaria laid on the floor, ending with Jamaria Sessions attempting to stand up in the doorway coming into frame. The next clip shows Jamaria Sessions staggering nude and disheveled. Jamaria's hair, previously in a partial bun, was now messy, and her extensions were falling out of her hair. It appeared that the dog had bitten the child's head, pulling at her hair at the command of Tyshael Martin. Following this clip, Jamaria Sessions is commanded to stand in the room with her arms up by Tyshael Martin. Jamaria Sessions exhibited an orbital sway, appearing to be disoriented, similar to being intoxicated, and leaned forward to pick up a blanket to cover herself. This prompted Tyshael Martin to deliver a kick to the rear of the child, causing her to collapse to the floor. The child lay motionless, moaning in pain as Tyshael Martin continued to kick her hip and eventually her stomach area at full force. Jamaria, according to the affidavit, couldn't get up. It sounds like she was being absolutely tortured to death. When the child did not get up, according to the affidavit, Tyshael then grabbed the child by her hair, pulling her across the floor with minimal resistance by Jamaria Sessions, who appeared to be disoriented and motionless. The child was dragged near the stairs, which is where the dog attack occurred, which was just out of frame. Tyshael Martin continued to command the child, Jamaria Sessions, to stand up, and as Jamaria could not physically comply, Jamaria was repeatedly shaken by Tyshael Martin. The next video clip begins with Tyshael Martin stating what sounds like, "I'm fixin' to kill her." Jamaria Sessions likely died in the overnight hours of June 16th of 2024, but Martin tries to justify to detectives that the discipline came from orders by Lojuan.
So what kind of abuse would, or what kind of discipline would Lojuan use on Jamaria?
What you mean, like use?
Like whoopings, or timeouts?
Like if she got in trouble.
Like if she got in trouble for something, what would be the recourse that Lojuan would do?
I mean, initially it'll start out with maybe having to run in place. That's a lot of things that he would tell her to do, or they would have to stand on the wall sometimes, and then it eventually resulted into a whooping.
But they just wouldn't listen? Like you tell them to run in place and they would do it for a minute or two and then that would turn into a whooping, or what do you mean?
If they said that they didn't want, like told him that they didn't want to do it anymore or whatever like that, yeah, then it would turn into a whooping.
Okay. And when you said that you disciplined her, how was your discipline?
Initially, I would just contact him a lot of the times and ask him what do he prefer her do. I would honestly let him talk to her on the phone, or, he would, talk to her on the camera. A lot of times he would just beep in and talk to her over the camera. And she would listen to him through there, and I whooped her before. Honestly, I yell a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I yell a lot to try to scare them to get my point across.
The state attorney wants Tyshael Martin put to death for Jamaria's murder. The prosecutor said Martin beat the little girl, starved her, as I mentioned, and then sicked the dog on her. She's facing first-degree murder, aggravated manslaughter of a child charges, and aggravated child abuse. Both Tyshael Martin and Lojuan Sessions are being held in the Lake County Jail without bail. The court docket indicates that Martin may actually be trying to negotiate a plea deal to avoid the death penalty, and that Lojuan Sessions may also be trying to resolve his case. We'll keep an eye on both of those and let you know whether they plead out or not. And that's it for this episode of Crime Fix. I'm Angenette Levy. Thanks so much for being with me. I'll see you back here next time.